Driving traffic to your Printify store is essential for increasing visibility and boosting sales. Here are effective strategies to attract visitors. Optimize your store for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and text to improve search engine visibility. Focus on terms your target audience might use to find your products. Utilize social media. Promote your store on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Share engaging content such as product photos, behind-the-scene looks, and customer testimonials. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Content marketing. Start a blog related to your niche. Share tips, trends, or stories that resonate with your target audience. This can help drive organic traffic and establish your brand as an authority. Leverage influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche. They can promote your products to their followers, driving targeted traffic to your store. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters with promotions, new products, or exclusive offers. Encourage subscribers to share your store with friends. Run paid ads. Consider using Facebook or Google ads to target specific audiences. Tailor your ads to showcase your unique products and drive traffic directly to your store.